I'm Steve Kramer. I'm a Florida dog bite and injury attorney. And today we're going to talk about dog bites. We're going to talk about 5 things you need to know about dog bites in the state of Florida. Now, the first thing you need to know is that owners are liable for dog bites. If somebody's dog bites you, the owner of that dog is liable. And it's not just any type of liability, they're strictly liable. And that's important because in most other types of injury cases, we have what's called the negligence standard. Did that person who caused the injury act negligently or not? Here, that's not an issue. The only issue is, did the dog bite you or not? Does that person own the dog? You establish that, you're going to recover. And the viciousness of the dog, this is number 2, the viciousness of the dog doesn't matter. And number 3 is, whether the dog did this before doesn't matter. The next thing you need to know, number 4, is if you were illegally on a property, you can't sue. So that old, dime store wisdom, wives' tale, somebody broke into my house and my dog bit them and they're suing me, that doesn't apply. If you are illegally somewhere and you get bitten by a dog, you can't sue. And the last thing you need to know is that your recovery can be reduced if you're comparatively negligent. And what that means is, even if the owner is strictly liable and they're on the hook, if you bore some responsibility, then the amount of the recovery will be reduced by the amount that you were responsible for it. And that's important to know because that can play a big issue in your case. Now, I'm telling you about this because laws change all the time and people have questions about dog bites and all different types of law, and we handle that. That's why we're one firm for life. We're ready to help you with any legal issue through life. So if you have questions about dog bites or pretty much anything else, pick up the phone, call me. I'd be glad to talk to you anytime. Thanks for watching. I'm Steve Kramer.